Hey, so if you're new to FL Studio and you're wondering which version you should buy, I'm going to cover that in this video. This is the Matt Lane Producer Hub where we kind of like just talk about music production stuff. And today FL Studio. So I'm going to look at this from like a beginner music producer perspective and just give you my take on using this because I've been using this for about 10 years. So I definitely know FL Studio, and you can check out any of my other videos, but I recommend, just to cut straight to the chase, either get if you're just starting off, you can get the Fruity edition, no problem with that, or the producer edition. The main difference between these two is in the producer edition, you can record vocal audio. So if you're big on recording vocal audio, I would recommend getting the producer edition. The neat thing is with FL is that you can always upgrade with just paying the difference. So if you purchase the Fruity edition initially and you want a little bit more features, you can just pay the difference, which is whatever 179 minus 99 is. Some math people help me out here, like $80 or something like that. You would pay just 80. So, and I recently actually upgraded from the producer to the all plugins edition. So it cost me like $200 something to make that difference. So you just pay the difference, which is cool. So you don't have to be fully locked into any of these. And I recommend just paying the difference and upgrading instead of buying the plugins individually, because the plugins are a lot. And you can see like on this landing page, link in the description, what each feature has. I think the biggest differences are the instruments and the VSTs and things like that. So like I said, I don't recommend buying these individually because they cost like say $99. Just upgrade the version. So that's really it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. In my videos, I feature mostly I feature the all plugins edition. That's the edition that I have now. But it's basically the same as the Fruity edition. It just has more of the instruments and things like that. So, yeah. And, FL is a great product. It's definitely a product you can make your money back on for sure. I definitely have. So it's one of the few products that are like that. And it also doesn't have a monthly subscription. So I would chime in and get this before they start. Maybe they'll add it a monthly subscription in the future. You never know. But, I would hop in, link in the description. It gives me credit for this. It doesn't cost any extra. It is an affiliate thing. But if you use that link, you get me credit and help my channel. And, let's just like work together so I can keep producing this type of content if this is helpful for you. But either way, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. And if you need more like help, we have a starter kit on our site. If you go to Music Producer Starter Kit, should be a link in the description to this and in the comments. If you need help just starting off, if you're just a beginner beat maker, just go through this list. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It just shows like pretty much all the little things that'll help you get way up to speed. And like I said, I've been doing music production for like 10 years. So we compiled this list basically over the course of 10 years. So thank you guys for watching. Check out the comments, subscribe. Let me know if there's a topic you guys want me to cover. Take care. Thank you guys as always, and peace out.